What's up? This time we're going to change the battery of my laptop because it's not working good. The battery of my laptop just arrived and we're going to install it. For that, I'm going to show you where you can buy laptop parts or computer parts for replacement and how you can buy this one. Do it yourself. So you can go to AliExpress and then search for the laptop part you want to replace. See on my screen here, this is the battery I ordered. My laptop is actually Xiaomi Mi, and the second thing you need to look out is the feedback. It's good, it's 96.1%, and make sure to look into the reviews of the seller. This is the battery I purchased. Why are we going to replace the battery of my laptop? It can detect that the battery is not functioning well. It has an X mark. Now let's get started doing that one. You can hear some snaps like that, and then that will do it. It's open. This is the battery. Now we're going to remove the screw. Remove the lock here and then pull up the battery. This is the defective battery and this is my new battery. We're going to check this one. It's new. Are they the same? Yes, they are the same. So we're going to remove this one. Plug in my new battery. Make sure that the connector of the cables should lock here. Go. Yes, it's working, my friends. We successfully changed the battery of my laptop. Now, the next thing we're going to do is try to plug in this charger and make sure that this is charging. It says 60% and it's charging. If you have learned something from this video, consider subscribing and more videos will come. This is Torogi Pro and thank you for watching. Bye.